how to fix perfect fit shutter light when the rod has snapped off. So I've already done these ones, but we've still got, if I can get it, that one's still snapped. Can you see? There should look like that. Should look like that. I've done that one. So what you do, I'm gonna do my best here to show you. It won't be easy. So you've got to twist them. You rotate them 90 degrees and then pull it out. Like that. And then I'm going to put the new one in 90 degrees the wrong way and then turn it 90 degrees to lock it in. I can't actually see in where it's going just because of the position of it, but it seems like there's only one place it can go. I don't think it can slide up and down. So I don't know if you noticed, I put some little pencil marks on where the old one was, so that I knew exactly where to put the new one. But as I'm putting them in, I've realised that I think they'll only go in one place anyway. So typical, last one's being difficult. I'll just spray today. Last one, and then that bit is going to click into. Once I've took these out, can you see that there? Yeah, I'm going to have to take them out as well. There's little holes which that's going to go into. So I'll just get this in here now. Right, now I'm going to take them pieces out. It should really just pop out. But, there we go, that's one out. Next one. See if I can get it kinda, so you can kinda see what I'm doing. There. So I'm just turning the thing round so I can easily get that in, pop it out. Turn that round. I don't know if you can see now. Might be a bit too high for the video. But anyway, you know what I'm doing. Pop all these out. Oh, that one flew. Watch your eyes. Yeah, they're coming out quite easy now. I've done a couple. There we go. Right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to make it like that. So I'll line that up. See? And then we're going to pop it in. And then I'm going to repeat the process. He says. We'll try and actually line them all up. And then good in pushing them all in. You know, kind of semi-engage them. There we go, they're all lined up, so... There we go. Fixed. That's how you do it. So first for me that.